I made the update to the April 2019 firmware and redid stability tests with the Zino. The Zino worked not viewable better. With the second start he drove crazy. Yeah, my Zino crashed. What happened? The effects caused by two reasons. The space between the wall and the trees is only 2.5 to 3 meters. The wind passed this alley and got accelerated. It was a very sunny day and the dark wall and roof of the house is heated up. So I got wind shear and a strong flow from the trees to the wall. This made Zino dropping and drifting high speed to the wall. I saw this in the first video with the H501 and with the Zino, and you see it as well in this video. The second fault was my fault. The binding was not really good. The connection was shown okay, but I did not bind the phone to the Zino. So he lost connection and nothing was able to stop his antics.
Scheiße.